Right, okay, we're at London Road. Right, okay, we're at London Road Fish Bar, and this has been recommended by a lot of you. So it's something I've been meaning to get round to, and it looks fantastic. It's in a popular area. It's in a beautiful area, actually. So let's go and check it out. Right, okay, we're at London Road Fish Bar in Holmes Chapel, and we picked a beautiful day for it, that's for sure. Straight off the bat, great customer service, beautiful little shop, spotlessly clean. Let's get into the food. We've got to to the feud. That's my wife and I, that over hers. But let's have a little look, see what we've got here. This is a halloumi kebab. So let's have a little quick look. And it's very Greek style in a pita. Look at that. Oh, I've got to have a bite of that straight as it is. I should have cut a bit off. You know what? I'll cut a bit off, just so we can see what's going on inside it. Oh, that looks pretty special, doesn't it? Like a battered fish, that inside there. I appreciate it's halloumi. Oh, that is nice. Lovely crispy salad. I'm going to give that to my wife now.
Give me the noodles.
And I'll just finish this little bit off. That's nice. That's a nice batter on that as well. Large haddock and small chips. Let's have a little look. I bust it and have a look at this. Look at that thing. That looks incredible. But you know what? I'm going to get my receipt. I had to get my receipt out for this and my glasses. Because that's impressive. Large haddock, £7.90. Well, so far. Small chips, £3.40. Halloumi pita at £5.70. The battered sausage at £2.30. Large peas and large gravy, £1.50 each. Absolutely fabulous. Let me have a look now. That's all in the tasting. Them chips look incredible. I'm excited. Where's my knife? Let's go straight down here. Look at that. That looks incredible, doesn't it? So, no salt and vinegar on here. I'm going to go with some vinegar first. Oh, I can't wait to get stuck into this. It looks fantastic. Some low salt, which I'm actually getting used to. It's not much different. You would hardly know. And then I'm going to pick up this lovely piece. The batter is absolutely delicious, crispy and light. Fish is packed with flavour. Go for some of this thick. Look at how thick that is there. Look at that. That is good. Let's go with some of these chips. I love the way these chips are shaped. There's all sorts going on in there. I tell you what, isn't it nice to get a nice meal? I came back here to set everything up, and Sue stayed there to collect the order. And once the order was with her, she then gave the owner or the manager a card to say they were being reviewed. Oh my God! Geez, now I know the owner will be watching this video. I'm just going to tell you, cool it on the colouring. It's like something from another planet. Oh, let's give it a taste. been seasoned, but only lightly. And that's okay, because it's got a lovely, lovely flavour. That colour is a bit scary. There's nothing like a natural looking mushy pea, even if it's pale. I'll just give Sue some of this fish to test out there. Like I say, absolutely delicious, scary colour. Doesn't matter if it's pale, grey or whatever. Natural is always better. And no seasoning, or very little seasoning. And otherwise you've got some great tasty mushy peas there. Let's go with this gravy. Oh, that's thick. And delicious. If anything, again, I'd go with less seasoning, as in less salt. But it's a good gravy. It really is. Let's try it with a bit of this fish. That's a nice combo. Dip a little bit more of that batter in there, because that is really nice. I'm really enjoying it. What have we got here? We've got a batch of sausage. Okay. Well, the batter's a little heavier on this. It's got a lot of flavour. I haven't put any salt and vinegar on any of it. That's why I'm putting it on now. Not spectacular. No problems with it at all. I had a bite to eat, a little bit of a drive about, and just a few miles from the Chippy, we've got Jodrell Bank and the Holmes Telescope. I'd have used my phone to video this, but I can't get a signal. So we're going to go back to the computer and we're going to deal with all the editing and stuff like that now. But we might get a shandy or something on the way, because there's lots of fantastic little bars and pubs around here. It's beautiful. It's a stunning part of the world. So see you back there. Right, okay, let's get straight into these reviews. 1 star. Really expensive for well below average food. Been here a few times, but I'm not going again. When will Holmes Chapel get a proper chippy? 3 star. It was edible, but rather tasteless. 5 star. Every time I order here, the chips are spectacular. Brilliant staff too. Always serve quickly. Everything here is always perfect for us. Best chippy in the Northwest. Mine, 5 star. Holmes Chapel is surrounded by lush countryside and rolling road. A London Road fish bar is ideally situated just off the main road, with ample parking in a horseshoe of small shops. Upon entering, it was clear that the owners and staff take great pride in what they have and what they do. The shop is spotlessly clean and tidy, and service was polite and friendly. I ordered the halloumi kebab, which came on a small pita and contained plenty of halloumi fried in a light tasty batter, complemented by a fresh flavoursome salad. The large haddock was a sight to behold. Thick, generous portion of fresh, flavourful fish encased in a light crispy golden batter. The chips were far from uniform, with an appealing mix of shapes and sizes. Some were thin and crispy, while others were plump and tender. The mushy peas were a vivid green, and I would have preferred a more natural colour, with less seasoning, though this didn't impair the taste. They were thick and delicious. The gravy was rich, dense and beefy, pairing well with both the chips and the fish. Now I know there's a lot of people that won't have fish and gravy. They won't have curry and fish. You know, it's a funny one, really. I mean, people have different tastes, don't they? And you'll find that in different parts of the country. People seem to have different tastes. The battered sausage was tasty, Although the batter was a little thick and slightly oily, it was still enjoyable all the same. Cooking in oil, payment cash or card, hygiene rating 5, fish reviewed, large haddock. See you on the next one.
Oh, it's the Chippy Tour, cruising the coast, can't ignore. With every bite, I'm loving it more. Saving the chippies, that's what I'm for. Yo, I hit the road, got salt in my veins. From London to Scotland, through sunshine and rain. Fish and chips in my hand, it's a noble quest. Supporting the classics, yeah, I'm doing my best. Met a bloke in Troon with a tempura squid. A castle in Wales where I had my bid. From mushy piece of battered Mars bar. A culinary Johnny, I'm a food rock star. I'm the Chippy Tour, tasting it all. Beef fritter scraps, yeah, I answer the call. Savory scallops, deep fried dreams, keeping chippies alive, that's my team. Biggest fish, battered sausage on a roll. Fish cakes so good they'll nourish your soul. Squid so crispy, prawns in a crunch. A battered mushroom makes the perfect brunch. Deep fried pizza, yeah, wacky delight. Curry sauce pouring tartar in sight. But every sharp story, it cuts kinda deep. As chippies fade away, it's hard not to weep. Oh, the landscapes I see, the people I meet. Seaside towns, cobble streets under my feet. The ups and downs, but I'll never despair. Gotta cherish these treasures, handle with care. On the Chippy Tour.